hate me. Maybe it's vibes, maybe it's time, maybe it's something lately. Maybe you don't.
Hi folks, when you jump in the car and you want to drive, sometimes it's appear on the dash, your light is out, your headlight. And that time, in 24 years ago, in this old BMW, it was so simple and so cheap to make it by yourself. Doesn't matter where you are on the road or at your house or wherever. You don't need to go to the service like with new cars, which is the auto industry, the car industry is actually pushing you towards that direction. You are not able to switch it or change it, this one. And of course it costs a lot of money because the technologies are improved. Headlights are xenon, then later LED lights and many other new technologies, which is fantastic. But when it's out, it costs a lot of money, costs a lot of trouble, and I think it's a safety issue. So when you are on the road in the dark and you want to go with a car, it's much better when you can do it by yourself. In this video I'm going to show you how simple is that in this 24 years old BMW, and it costs just a few bucks or a few euros.
Daily, you know we're locked in, man. Let me do this daily, yeah, following that bigger plan.
So I switch on the ignition, start the engine, and immediately on the dash I see the warning sign on my right side of the car. The right headlight is out. Let's see how simple is that to change it.
Let me do this daily, yeah, following that bigger plan.
So as I mentioned, it's so simple. You just open the hood, the bonnet. So how simple is that? You just plug this out, then you don't touch the headlight by your hand. Just grab some textile or something. You take it out easily, nicely, the old one, and then you have only one option, one way to put it in, so you can miss it, you can make it wrong. Easily you push it in, then you place it, turn it, and then you are done. This is so simple and I love it.
Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something.
So I love this technology because it's so simple to switch it by yourself. You don't need to go to the service center. I know the xenon technology is much better. I know the LED technology even much better, but costs thousands of euros and you have to wait maybe a few days or even weeks for a busy service center to change it. But this one, anywhere you stop, if you have this one, you can buy it on any petrol station or fuel station. This is OSRAM H7. 2 pieces is only 15 euros. 15. And in like a minute, I switch it, you can switch it and you can go on your way.
And let me do this daily, you know we're locked in, man. Let me do this daily, yeah, following that bigger plan.
I hope you like this video. It's so simple to switch it in this old car. I love the technology. For 2 minutes and you are on the road again. If you have more difficult headlights like xenon or maybe a LED light, Kedvenc Car Service, where I am right now in Budapest, they can fix it for you, of course. But write me in the comment what type of car do you have? Do you have maybe the same? It's so simple or more difficult to switch a simple thing like a headlight. So guys, I wish you a very nice day and see you on the next video. Bye.